Yes guys, welcome back to Verso Model channel, the second part of the basics tools and the basic technique for the people that see the part 1. We continue with part 2. Sorry that you not see my face, but it's most important to see what I'm doing. I decided to make the part 2 and after that the part 3 with your question, guys, with your question. And for the beginner people that want to see, leave comment in this video and tell me, hey, can you show us how to glue parts, can you show how to make this, can you show how to make this, and I will try. I will take a few weeks and try to see all the question and give you a good video of what you ask people. So it's very important to leave a comment in this video and enjoy what we will do today. It's show you how to decal parts, how to glue parts, how to use photo etch parts. I don't know if you know what is it. This is a photo etch parts. It's a metal parts and I will show you how to use it also. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, after we finish the preparation of the body, imagine it's paint, and I promise you that I will make a video of painting, the basic technique of painting. But now imagine this paint in white, because I love Toyota Supra in white, and now we want to use the decals. Okay, do you see over there we have a decals, and I will use the light over there, this one, and we will put it together over there. Okay, so what I will do is just take hobby knife. You know what is it? This is the, I think, the most basic tool, and cut it out and put it in the water. Okay, for the people that want to know how to use the decals. Okay, this is a very basic decals, not with curves, with things like that. I can show you also with curves, but let's first for the basics. Yes, water, clean water, put it inside for a couple of seconds. Sorry, for a couple of minutes. Sometimes they have a decal in a couple of seconds, but Tamiya decals need a couple of minutes. So we will put it over there and we will let it do the work, the water do the work. Okay, we will leave it until it will come. Let's glue the engine. The engine of most of the kit come with 2 parts. All you need to do is put it in the place. As you can see, I sand the remain. You remember when I cut from the sprue. And what I love to do, I use this amazing glue by Tamiya. They have a lot of company that create this, but I love to use the Tamiya. The difference between them, it's this one, it's dry very quick and also more diluted. It's mean, if I will come with the parts and just do this one, okay, I will take little bit and come on. As you can see, it's 2 parts, yes? So if I will put it like that and just put on the line, okay, the glue will flow inside, melt the plastic, and you will get great bonding. Okay guys, for all direction, for all the direction, yes, you can put it inside. Okay, that's it, no need too much. Okay, it's already glue. Now people ask, yes, but how you do prepare the line? Okay, what I do after it's dry good, very good, cure, I just take my micro mesh sanding stick and start sand it until I not see the gap. Okay, because it's melt the plastic and it will be in one piece. Okay, and it will be beautiful, guys. Everybody see and understand how to glue parts? Very basics, guys. You also can use this glue, put on one piece and come with the other piece and put it, and it will make the same result. Just don't forget to sand it little bit after that if you want to remove the line between them. Okay, and if people don't understand how to make it, I can also show you in the next part, but leave me a comment, and it's very important what you want to see. Okay, now the decal is ready. Okay, I hope the decal is ready. Let's take it out. Okay, and try. What I do, I put it on the table and verified the decal moving. If it's not moving, it means it's not ready yet. Okay guys? Yes, but my decal it's ready and it's moving. What I do, I play with it. Look, what I do, I play with it and verify it's moving. Okay, now I hold it from one side, take it out, okay, and just put it over there. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, now you can play with it to the right place. As you can see, to the right place. If you're sure it's good, look it to yourself. And if you love the position, like I love, okay, all you need to do is eat it a little bit with fan. Guys, fan. This is my fan. You can use any fan. Just little bit. Eat it little bit, and after that come with a cotton swab and remove the water. Okay, and if she's still moving, you see my decal moving, it's not mean that I not succeed. Just bring it right to the place and continue to make it with the cotton swab until it will not moving. And if you need more heat, you can do it. Okay, everybody see what I'm doing? Now if you can see on the decal, they have the hand of the decal, it's clear. I don't know if you can see it on decal, but you need to curve the decal and put it in a very good way. For this kind of technique, I use a microcell and microset. People love to use a microset before they put the decals. This is the right process to make it. Put a microcell on some hard point decal. This one is very easy to put and applicate. So what I will do is just a little bit microsol. I will dip it in microsol, and what I love to do after it's in microsol, I take some cloth and remove the unnecessary. Okay, and then I have a microsol, a little bit microsol, and it will bend the hand of the decals. Okay, it will bend the end of the decals, and then you can use again fan, again the fan, and we finish. Okay guys, what happened to my fan? It's put out. Yes, it's put out from the power source. Okay, don't use too much because you can burn the paint and things like that, but little bit it's enough. And then come to the decal and play with it until you be satisfied with the position and everything. Okay guys, about decals, this is a basic decals. Sometimes you have a decals that have a curves and you need to use more microcell, but keep attention, this stuff it's really damage the paint, damage the decals. Okay, it's make it softer, so use it widely and try each time to do your best with it. And I hope that you understand how to use the decals, guys. Okay, this is the decal that come with the kit, the basic technique for you guys about the decals. Okay, some people all the time want to improve the models, so they want to use a photo etch parts. Each car, I think they have many of them. This is the photo etch part, guys. This made by Zoom On, great company that helped me a lot in this channel. And they create the disc brakes in metal. This is a metal parts, guys. Okay, and I will show you what to do. This is the brakes that I remove from the sprue, cut it, sanding, and now people can paint the caliper in red and here in silver. But imagine that you have a metal parts and it's more nice and beautiful. So we will remove one like I do. Look what I'm doing. Take my knife. In the photo etch part they have some holder like the part of the plastic, so what you need to do is remove it with the knife. Don't worry, it's very easy. And now you have the disc brakes separate. Okay, now what you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but on the part they have them left area, that unnecessary area that we need to sand. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and you can make it with the sanding stick. You can make it with the diamond file by Tamiya. This is the tool, a diamond file. Everybody see? This is a diamond file by Tamiya. It's take the metal and remove like you make it on a plastic. Just use it very slowly and remove the unnecessary area. Okay, like with the plastic, guys. It's the same technique, just this is for metal parts. Okay, do you see it, guys? Look how much amazing this part now. All the unnecessary area remove, and now we're ready for the next step. Okay, guys, now make a test fit, guys. Make a test fit for the part. Imagine this is the part that you want to glue. Okay, but you see it's not go inside because this brakes, it's for other one. Okay, so we will bring the other one. It's over there. They have two of them. Over there you have one, and over there. So before you do anything, verify that everything go inside perfectly. Okay, guys, now let's make test fit to this one, and we will see if it's going inside perfectly. Yes, we are right. Yes, Yaniv, you are awesome. Thank you. Okay, everybody understands. So now we have the part and we have a plastic. If this was plastic and this was plastic, so it was easy. I will use a Tamiya cement, but this is a metal, guys, and for metals I have wonderful glue for you guys. The best one that I ever use, a Bob Smith Super Gold Plus. If you see my video, most of the time I use this glue. It's amazing. You can also glue a clear part with it. It will not create a fogging and a white area. And I can show you how I glue parts, and it will be awesome to show you guys. What I do, I take a piece of paper, put little bit on some piece of paper, take toothpick, a very toothpick, and I bend the end. What it mean? I bend the end of it. Okay, why? Because it create applicator. Okay, so what I will do, I all the time put glue on the static part. It means if I want to glue this part and I hold in my hand this part and put it, so I will put glue on the static part. Okay, no need too much, just a few points. As you can see, I will show you just a few points like I do. Do you see the glue? It's clear, and you can come with the part and glue it, guys, to the place, and it will stay forever. Yes, photo etch part, and it's create a wonderful things, and I think it's awesome. It's better than paint because it's real metal parts. Okay, everybody understand about metal parts? If you have any question about that, I'm here to help you guys. This is the most important thing for me, that people also will learn something. Okay, one more thing that I do with the clear parts, when I want to put the headlights and the tail lights, I use the clear parts. I use a white glue. This is also necessary glue for this kind of job. Sometimes you want to glue the shield, the windshield, and the windows, and also the tail lights and end lights. So use this glue a little bit. What I love in this glue, it's white, but when it's cure, it's clear. So if you make any mistakes, nobody see it because it's come to in the end, the result it will be clear also. Okay, crystal clear by Zero Paint. You can find it. I have this also. It's the same. Okay. I hope that you learned something new, guys. Yes. So, you know how to sand, you know how to use the decals, you know how to use metal parts, you know how to glue parts, you know how to use the decals. You know which kind of tool I use. You can try it in very kind of tools. They have a lot of them. I hope that I help for the people to join to the club, how to make it. As I say in the beginning, guys, part number 3 of this basics tools will be with you. With you guys, you ask a question, I will try to make a video for the people that ask a question, and I think it's very awesome because on the other side they have a lot of people that want to see and learn. So I wait for your question. I try to do my best to make a 2 video with you, part 1 and part 2, about basics tool, basic techniques. You can see also my video. I use many more techniques for advancing with wonderful tools. I have a power tools that I love so much, and you can see it on my video. But this 2 video, it's for the people that just want to go inside, and I have my tips for you guys. I hope that you enjoy, and see you soon with one more part 3. It's up to you and what you ask. Bye bye, Rosso Model Channel.